So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy American stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once the app is opened up, go to this bottom bar and select the magnifying glass, then go to the search bar at the top. And once you're here, I want you to go ahead and just select all categories. Now once you have all the categories selected, you can either find an American stock in any of these categories, or you can simply go to the search bar right here and type in an American stock of your choice. So if I wanted to do Apple right here, I will type in ticker symbol AAPL at the top. So once you have your stock selected, in this case your American stock selected, you can go ahead and select an account. Or if you were to go back here, let's just say I'm in, as I mentioned before, all categories. I'll go to banking here. I'll go to US traded stocks right here, and I'll just do Bank of America. So either way works. Once your stock is selected, and to know that it's an American traded stock, it'll say USD. Go to the bottom left, select an account. I will use my TFSA as an example, and then press trade, and then press buy. So once your stock is selected, you can go to the top right and choose the order type. I will select market for this example. And then once you're here, you can either type in the amount of shares you want to buy or how much you want to buy. So if I wanted to do $1, I will type in $1. It'll then show how much shares, and if this looks good to you, press on review. Then once you're here, you can review the order and review the transaction, and if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom. In my case, press on Q order, or you can press on buy stock to buy the American stock that way. So that is how to buy American stocks in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.